Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to easily install peel and stick membrane for tile. Also I'm using this membrane for hardwood floor installation. In description I will put link to my video where I did glue down installation over this membrane. Why I'm using this membrane? Because it's save time, save money, and sometimes for double glue down when I'm doing hardwood floor it's for customers too expensive, and I just peel the skin from this membrane and install it and do hardwood flooring installation right away. So same idea with tile. So you see, first of all I put SM primer. It's from Mapei. I'm using only Mapei. I don't know exactly what kind of brands of other companies they offer special primer, but SM primer you can find in Home Depot and other stores. So first of all I apply this primer, then I measure necessary dimension of peel and stick membrane and flip it over with sticky side to the floor, cut approximately 1 feet of fill, remove it and glue this membrane first. Then I use into tube, each roll with with cardboard tube. I roll it over this membrane to this tube and then slightly remove the film. I'm gluing this membrane. Pretty easy. If you not rush, you will install it without any bubbles under the membrane. So only difference between uncoupling membrane and this membrane. Uncoupling membrane you can install to any surface. For this membrane you need very good level without any low and high spots. You see, it's already done and you can start installation tiles or hardwood right away. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I will always answer you. See you on next video.